Okay, so today we'll be dissecting a frog.
And this is just a reminder to sit down if you start to feel sick. And we're going to have this frog on its stomach to take out the tongue, brain, and eye lenses.
Okay, first we're gonna take out the eye. Okay.
Use the tweezers to take it out.
Use the tweezers to pry the eye out.
Once you take out the eye lenses, place it on the part sheet where it says eye lenses.
Next, we'll take out the tongue. You're gonna need to pry the mouth open. And then once you have that open a little bit, you're gonna need to take the scissors. Take the scissors and cut around it, so you can get inside to the tongue.
Frogs' tongues are more long and more narrow than human tongues.
And then after you've pried the mouth open like this, you're gonna need to poke it and just pull it out like that. Then you might need to use the scissors and cut it.
Once you got out the tongue, you can place it on the part sheet where it says tongue. The tongue is the part of the frog that helps the animal catch its prey.
Okay, next we're gonna cut off the skin right here and then cut in to get into the frog. Okay, next you're gonna use this and kind of cut into it, but don't cut too deep so it gets into the frogs. Okay, next you're gonna cut it. Then you're gonna cut the skin off right over here.
The frog's stomach stores food and mixes it with enzymes to begin digestion. Next, using the tweezers, pull out the stomach. Place it on the part sheet. Next, take out the large intestine. The lung is located above the fat body and to the right of the heart and helps the frog breathe.
So now we're gonna take out the lungs, which is right behind the liver.
Before you can get out the lungs, you have to remove the liver and place it on the part sheet where it says liver. You're going to use the tweezers to pull out the lungs that were behind the liver we just pulled out. And you're going to place it on the part sheet where it says lungs. How does the frog's small intestine function? It involves the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients.
Next, we'll take out the heart, and it compares to a human heart structure because the frog has 3 chambered parts and the human has 4.
Use the tweezers to pull out the heart, which is pink. Place the heart on the part sheet where it is labeled heart. Next, use the tweezers to pull out the spleen. And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled spleen. The spleen is located underneath the stomach and helps filter dead red blood cells. The spleen also removes old blood cells and breaks them down. Next, use the tweezers to pull out the fat bodies.
Just take those.
And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled fat bodies. Next, pull out the small intestine using the tweezers. Place it on the part sheet where it is labeled small intestine. Next, take out the gallbladder. It is blue.
is located.
And then it is located under the liver. It's a small greenish blue sac that stores bile. And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled gallbladder. Next, use the tweezers to pull out the kidneys. And place it on the part sheet where it is labeled kidneys. The final thing, use the tweezers to pull out the gonads and place it on the sheet where it is labeled gonads. Next, flip it over and you're gonna try to get out the brain. You can cut open the head using the probe. You can also use the scissors if needed. Pull away the skin to access the brain and cut it off if needed. How is the frog's brain compared to the human's brain? By comparison, the human cerebrum is very large. Next, pull out the brain and place it on the part sheet where it is labeled brain. When finished, make sure to clean up your area.